founder of HT.
True. Are you having your fix? Hey, nice to meet you, brother. Are you gambling?
Gambling? Listen, we're trading, brother. Today's PMI report just dropped, and it's showing an economy that's still growing but losing some steam. The composite PMI fell to 53.6. Manufacturing.
Hey, Hitty. You're gonna come for me rude.
Hey guys, all right? Hello. How are you all, guys? Welcome, 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 guys. What do you reckon of the new colours, guys? What do you reckon of the new Trading View colours? I like this. I feel like it's not so ouchy on the eyes. If you're looking at the charts, this is nice. So how are you all? Welcome, welcome. What trades are we all in, guys? Guys, my heart is hurting. We are out of Euro USD and we have melted this morning. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of swing trading, guys, anymore. Not going to lie, this happens every single time to me. I have loads and loads of good profit and comes against me. So I have now got a system in play where we are going to be taking profits, and if we get back into the trade, we do. If we don't, we don't. But I'm fed up of leaving profits on the table with all these swing trades, guys. Yo, Lulian, all right, bud? What are we cooking today? So cooking today, I'm in the British pound Swiss franc longs, guys. I'm in that. Prices coming very fastly down to my entry now. I entered down here. So I'm in the British pound Swiss franc, guys. As you can see, it's just I was not planning on being in this trade for very long. I'll probably end up putting it out shortly. £11 profit on this trade at the moment, guys. On British pound Swiss franc, £11 profit. Build accounts over 500 quid, which is good. We wanted to get back over 500, guys, which we are. If I was still in Euro USD, we'd be over £1,000, guys. So yeah, I'm not doing this stupid fucking swing trading approach. No more. Profit, drawdown, profit, drawdown, profit, drawdown, stop loss. Nah. Now we're just going to get into trades, take profits, guys. That's all we're going to do now. Get into a trade, take profit, execute on the 4 hour, look for 4 hour targets, in and out the trade. None of this waiting for fucking weeks on end, guys. I can't be doing with it. It's set and forget, get a life. It's not get a life. It's put yourself through stress and anxiety that you don't need to. Yeah. I'm a bit annoyed, really, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Bit bugged today, but oh well, is what it is. Guys, I haven't really been looking at any other trade ideas as such. What are people thinking? What are people in? Let me know. Let's just get rid of all of this. Remove. Yeah. Euro Canadian. Probably not going to be entering. I've got a bit of kit coming that I'm going to be installing on my Trading View later on today, guys, and I'm not going to be taking any trades until I've got this bit of kit now. I'll tell you what, we will have a look at gold though, guys, shall we? Let's have a little look at gold, see if we can get some gold scalps. I don't like this. I don't like this on gold, so we probably won't look at gold. What do you want me to look at, guys? Let me know, and we can have a look at sugar. Yeah, we'll look at sugar. Yeah, we can have a look at sugar, guys. I'm not going to get in sugar, but the rest of you can. Where is sugar? Illudian, basically, mate, sugar's been like in this area. I accidentally took a trade on sugar, and it's because of the spreads. Just be mindful of the spreads. That's why I won't be trading sugar, because of the spreads. The spreads are ridiculous. You need to be in this trade for weeks for it to be any profit, for it to be a profitable trade. But from a weekly perspective, what are we reacting off all the way over here? Yeah, so we're potentially having a reaction off of these two demand areas. So yeah, the buys are valid, Lulian. If you are in some buys, they are valid, mate. Just manage the trade. I can't stress it enough that you're probably going to be in this trade until Christmas. It's a slow trade. So yeah, up to you. Let's have a look at crude oil. I know Jan is taking crude oil. Like, I've been waiting the whole time, haven't I, for this gap fill on crude oil. I don't think it's going to happen. So next time we get low on crude oil, guys, I'm probably not going to enter it. Looking at this, I mean, look how many times, guys. Look how many times we've come down to these areas now. We need to be very mindful of this, guys, because people will be looking at this as support. People will be looking at it as demand. Just be mindful the amount of times that we've tapped this whole area now, guys. All right, because yeah, price could just continue melting if we do get into this area again, and then we do have this gap fill just below it. So yeah, I'm waiting for crude oil, guys. Still waiting for crude oil. Yeah, Santa will come first before TP, mate, on sugar. 100%. 100%. I mean, I do like the swing trading approach, guys, where you just set and forget. But let's be completely honest. How many times do these set and forget trades actually play out? How many times do they work? I mean, yeah, they go in our favor for a few hours, and then all of a sudden we're back to square one again in drawdown or stop loss. So I am completely staying away from it. I am just going to be doing my 4-hour supply and demand zones, intraday trading. I will stay in a trade for 1, 2, potentially 3 days, but that is it now. I am not doing any of these set and forgets because it's just not worth it. It's not worth it, guys. Not worth it. I've had a chat with had a meeting with one of the lads this morning. He's a really, really, really clever trader. He's very clued up. We've been having a very good conversation this morning. And I've had to make some content for a Market AI this morning as well. So I've been busy doing that. And then this afternoon I got other stuff to do. Like now, I don't have 5 minutes to flipping do anything. It's busy life, guys. Busy life. But I enjoy it. I know, guys, I haven't been very active in the group the last couple of days. I'm just trying to find my feet within Market AI, meeting all the team and everything. And yeah, it's going to be really good, guys. The future is awesome. And I will still give you all, 100% of my time. I've just got to do a little bit of juggling in life at the moment, guys. That's all it is. But once I find my rhythm, once I find my my work-life balance, then we're going to be good to go, guys. Any stocks on my watch list? Yeah, let's have a look at some stocks. I mean, I did briefly have a little look at some stocks yesterday. And nothing's really taking my fancy at the moment. I mean, I like Google, but obviously we're at all-time highs. Microsoft, similar situation at all-time highs. Who was in here yesterday talking about UPS? Pranav. Pranav was in here yesterday. And he was talking to us about buy ideas on UPS. And to be honest, it was a pretty solid trade idea that he said to us. So, but I'm just briefly having a look through. Oh God, I'm tired. I'm just briefly having a look through all the stocks quickly, guys. Nothing. I'm not liking anything at the moment. All the stocks are sort of at all-time highs and above, really, guys. Oh, the Kraft Heinz. Heinz, guys, we could. Heinz has got a little bit of potential. We could all trade Heinz, can't we? Heinz has got some potential. Yeah, but we're going to wait for this. Siri. There's gap there. So, we got some demand here. This could, yeah. MasterCard, Walmart. MasterCard, guys, we could be setting up for some nice positions on MasterCard. Look, MasterCard's dropping down. MasterCard looks all right, doesn't it? Get some bargain prices down here. Look at this. I have got Larry Williams. Valuation tool. Valuation. Larry Williams. There we go. So, guys, MasterCard. Can we all trade MasterCard on whether you're on a prop firm or whatever? Because I'm not looking at getting in MasterCard yet. We're not undervalued. When we get nearer to the undervaluation, I will then look to long MasterCard, guys. Like, look at the valuation tool. Look at Larry Williams' valuation tool here, right? We're on the daily. Let me do some vertical lines. There. Yay. There. And there. Look at these vertical lines that I've got, guys. And look at them cross-referencing down with the valuation. Basically, what I'm trying to highlight to you is look at whenever we're undervalued around the green line at the bottom, you know, price reverses, undervalued, price reverses, undervalued, price reverses, near enough, undervalued, price reverses. So basically, what I'm going to be waiting for MasterCard is undervaluation. This will probably be next week now. And then we're going to get into some MasterCard longs, guys. Walmart, again, Walmart, we're coming from overvaluation. So the company Walmart itself is being overvalued at the moment. So therefore, we will wait for undervaluation. These are some stocks that I've got some friends are in these stocks. And they're very good stocks to be in if you are in these stocks, guys. Obviously, D-Wave Quantum, we are ridiculously overvalued now. We're at all-time high territory. So profit taking is probably going to be commencing. Let me just message someone a minute. I am here, guys. Just got to do some texting. Yeah. Cool. So stocks, let's check the valuation, Illudian, on the others that like Heinz, for instance. So Heinz, we're coming from undervaluation. That's a bit annoying. Might have missed the boat on Heinz, guys. Look at it on a weekly. Yeah, guys, Heinz. You know what, Heinz? This is, yeah, I might look at getting into some Heinz. To be honest, I mean, with this trade here, guys, you know, you could enter your positions more or less where the green line is. And as long as you cover your stop losses, you know, down below here, I know we're into demand, but just cover your stops just down below there, guys. But I think, yeah, I think Heinz is going to be a little good trade idea, to be honest. Let's have a look at Occidental Petroleum. Overvalued. Chevron, overvalued. Liberty, coming from overvaluation. Apple's probably, yeah, overvalued. Apple's been overvalued, well, since March. Huh. So I think we could expect some real downside movement on Apple, guys, to come, to be honest. Meta, we're coming from overvaluation. So Meta, guys, we could position ourselves. We'll wait and see what demand levels we've got, see where we are in terms of valuation, and we can go from there. Same as Amazon, same as probably Microsoft. Microsoft is nearly undervalued as well. Tesla, Yeah, I was going to say Tesla's probably overvalued for sure. So Tesla's got some dropping to do, guys. Tesla's got some dropping to do. Plug Power, overvalued. Cool. Gold's overvalued as well. Let's just minimize that. Right, happy days. What FX pairs should we look at, guys, whilst we are here? Oh, I'm so annoyed with Euro USD, guys. You don't honestly. Flipping so annoying. So annoying. I'm fed up of this happening to me on these fucking swing trades. Excuse my French. I'll be honest. I think I'm fed up of swing trading full stop, guys. To be honest, set and forget, get a life rubbish. There's no such thing. Yeah, if people are thinking of taking buys off of this demand, guys, I'd wait. I wouldn't if I was you. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, guys, write in the comments. Should I put some music on my phone? Because it's hard to talk every single second for 2 hours long and entertain you. What do you want me to look at? What trades do you want me to look at? Let me know, and we can have a look. What potential trade ideas do people have on their mind?
Trading is hard enough. Extra precious if it's time limits, maximum drawdowns.
I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, we're just going to have some background music going, guys. I'm learning a new system. Well, I say learning a new system. I'm implementing a new system into my strategy. It's going to be a very objective approach, very systematic in terms of profit taking and what levels, etc. For instance, this Euro USD short trade that I was in, price came all the way down to here. The build account was over £1,300. I should have just pulled it. But then in my mind, I was thinking, yeah, I'll pull profit and price will just keep dropping. But no, we went all the way back up and now we've just dropped. Is what it is. Is what it is. I'm just not, this is not going to happen to me anymore. Not happening. Not happening. Does anybody want to see some? Anybody want to see some market AI? Or no? If anybody's interested in joining market AI, let me know and I can send you a link for you to join. I highly recommend it. And yeah, it's basically it's $49 a month, guys. It's literally next to nothing. Yeah, so my new system, there's a trader in my group that I've been talking to. He's a very, very good trader. He's been showing me his charts and showing me a lot. but basically, Euro USD, for instance, his Euro USD on the 4 hour, his system was identifying this demand as what we all know. This demand, how can I explain it? How I want to basically trade now, guys, is this basically. Like, for instance, if I was waiting to take a buy position on this demand zone, you know, I'm not going to. I do not recommend people taking buys on this demand. All right, I do not recommend it. But basically, I'm just going to be getting in a trade there, targeting that high. I'll then see if price targets this high, and I will be then, you know, getting in a short position, targeting the next demand below. Instead of, you know, for instance, having my original short position. My original short position, Euro USD, for instance, was up here. You know, my target was this real big demand all the way down there. Obviously, it's going to take a while to get there, but I don't like that approach no more. For the simple fact of you getting really good profit, you come back to break even, you get in profit, and I cannot be doing with that system of trading no more. It doesn't do my psychology any good. It doesn't do me any good. I get ratty. And I'm just not going to do it. HMZ, I'll DM you on Discord. I'll DM your Discord a minute. Hang on a second. Yeah. Hang on a minute. I just need to just try and find something a minute. Hazmat, I'm going to send you this link now, okay? There you go, mate. It's all yours. So, yeah, Matt Blank. Yeah, mate. Basically, mate, you know, my TP rule and all that, I'm just going to be looking to just whatever demand zone I will be taking either a buy position from, I will be looking at the next major 4 hourly opposing zone. So that would be supply. That would be my take profit for sure. So, for instance, I'm in the British pound, Swiss franc, which is doing me in as always. Probably going to be, yeah. Yeah. My head's not in this shit today, lads. On this trade, I was targeting these highs, but probably I'll get taken out before. Yeah. I'm looking to target these highs. Probably not even that high. I'm just going to look to target that high, you know, because at least then you know you're going to get some profits. So, yeah, that's what I'm looking for on the British pound Swiss franc, mate. Similar to the last trade we took on it, really. We took this trade. Oh, no. Hang on. Oh, yeah, we're on the... Where was it? Yeah, it was all the way up here. We caught it, didn't we? Yeah, I'm not getting greedy, guys. I'm just going to take little profits now. Probably not going to take any profit on this at all. I'm going to get stopped out. by the look of it. I don't know why I started this £500 or £5,000 challenge. Ugh. My head's gone, boys, today. I can't be doing with this fucking shit. Welcome to trading, they say. It's amazing, they say. Huh, no, it isn't. It's hard work. Mentally draining of your soul. Yeah, does that sort of make sense, Matt? Does it sort of make sense? Like, just instead of these ridiculous, stupid swings that never play out, that never happen, that never work, we're just going to be taking profit sooner now. Ever since last year, I've not seen a single swing trade work, to be honest. Not real long term, like a few weeks. Other than coffee, if you're in coffee buys. But how often do these setups actually work? They don't. They never work. Ah, lovely, minus £12 on the build account. We're down to 498. What a surprise. What a shock. Oh.
The all-new iPhone 17.
Hang on a sec, guys. I've got to try and just sort something out a minute. Yeah, Matt, I like that. I like your attitude there, mate. Yeah, I sort of needed that. Mate, I agree with you. I completely and utterly agree with you. I think we do this going forward as a collective group. 100%. We're just going to be going for realistic take profits, guys. Not for these stupid home runs. Look at it as two cricket batsmen, you know, Josh Buttler and Joe Root. That partnership, you want to try and get 50 or 100 runs between you. And that's how we'll do it. We'll just go for the nice, easy runs, boys. That's what we'll do. None of these stupid home run things like what some people do that never work. Sorry, guys. I'm just talking to the big boss man of Market AI. Fucking hell. Guys, I am here. Just bear with me a minute. I'm just talking to Hamza, are you still here? Don't copy that link, mate, that I've just sent you in your message. Don't use this link. I'll get another one sent over. Hang on a minute. I've just got a. All right, mate. Don't use that link I sent you yesterday. I've got to send you another one. Bear with me. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I've been chucked in the deep end. Life is difficult, isn't it? Why can't anything in life just be easy? Yeah, it has, Matt. Yeah. Matt, who are you in my group? What's your name in my group? Guys, CNL Trader, he's a really good guy. He really knows his stuff. Tudor sound. Hello, mate. Yeah, mate, CNL Trader, he's flipping mustard. He's really good at what he does, to be fair to him. Yeah, I like his system. I really do like his system. But yeah, guys, I do reckon, I know I'm working on the Market AI team now, but from my perspective, like, I wouldn't work for companies unless I didn't trust them, guys. Market AI team, the whole Market AI team, I've known for many years, like a good 5-6 years. We all sort of started our trading journeys the same sort of time, and I know how hard all them individuals work. Like, they work constant, and they genuinely are just trying to build the next best thing for the retail world. And I do think this is it, to be honest. I think it's going to be a fantastic bit of engineering, the finished product. It's always work in progress, as you know. But yeah, this is going to be big. Really, really big. Yeah, I like CNL's system though, Tudor. Do you use a similar system, Tudor? I think I'm going to be pulling out on British pound, Swiss franc, guys, pretty soon, because how many times we're coming down here now. I'm not liking this. I'm going to see if we get a push up. Well, as soon as we get up into profit, guys, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I'm not getting taken out of this. Tudor, that's what system we're going to be going with, basically, CNL's system. I think it's a really OP system. It's going to take a bit of time to obviously spot different things because it's supply and demand. The whole system is based around supply and demand. It's just we're going to be looking at paying close attention to the price itself within supply and demand, basically. Yeah. Like I saw how he took that. Crude oil long trade, flipping hell of a trade idea. What? I don't understand it. I don't understand it, bro. Visit site, register, log in or sign up. Ah, 168. Ah, right. Okay. I'm with you, Neil. I'm with you. Yeah. Tudor, I'll be honest, mate. I like your approach with the markets as well. You've got a very systematic approach. I like it, mate. I like it. Done. Sorted. Hasma, are you still here? Hasma? Because I will send you over the new link. Guys, I am guys, we'll stay live till about 1:30. Sweet. Hasba, I should be able to send you over a link soon, mate. All right. I got another lad on Instagram. I got to send it to you. Guys, this is, it's really worth it. Hasma, I'll just go through market a minute. I'll just showcase. There we go, guys. Look, I'll just go through a little bit of a breakdown on market fuel. So basically, whenever you log in the morning, you'll get your daily bias. Your daily bias will be flagged up here. And then, so this was my daily bias today. Obviously, you can customize your portfolio overview, guys. At the moment in my portfolio, I've got Apple, gold, Tesla, Euro USD, crude oil, and New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Guys, you can customize this to whatever you please. You can have a stock in there, you can have gold, you can have coffee, chocolate, you can have whatever you want. You've just got, you know, five or six choices. And then let's go on crude oil, for instance. Crude oil will then get a price like bias for the day, you know, preferred buys above here, preferred sells below there. It will give us all the impact on the news that we're going to have throughout the day onto this particular pair. We can go into currencies. We can, oh, hang on. Sorry, hang on a minute. What's Dilber saying? Guys, try and ignore my name. I need to start blocking that out. I don't want the whole world knowing my exact names. Basically, so USD JPY, we click on that, and it will give us, you know, all of this information. Up here, it's given us retail positioning, whether they're in buys or sells. This is in the Euro USD. We can change this to Euro JBP. We can change it to British pound, Japanese yen. And tell us where the retails are, major currency pairs. So here, guys, currency market summary. This updates, I want to say, like probably every day. Well, it definitely does update every day. I don't know when the currency market summary does physically update, because it's all AI driven, and these things are being updated in the back end constantly anyway. But this just gives us a brief overview of the actual individual futures currency. So the US dollar, you know, it will just give us all this information basically. We've got the Trump tracker, so it will tell us if Trump's going to make an appearance. And then obviously down here, we've got the economic calendar. This economic calendar is, you know, forexfactory.com on steroids, basically. You know, it gives us real insight and overview of every single financial market, not just US dollar, euro, pound, Australia, New Zealand. This literally, we got Korean stuff on here, we got Indian stuff on here, we've got Mexican, Canadian, South African. You know, I know not all of these news events is going to impact our particular trades, but sometimes, guys, it's just handy to know. And candle analysis, this is going to be changed to basically fundamental backtesting candle analysis. This is going to get changed. But for instance, like gold, we'll have a little look at this candle. So this candle there, and it just gives us an overview of the candle and what happened in this particular time frame, basically. The COT reports, guys, you all know a lot about COT reports. But what's interesting, what I like about the COT data, the biggest thing for me is this COT report. I love this COT report on the daily bias. I'm on Market 8. I have to pay for this as well, mind, guys. I'm paying my monthly subscription on this as well, mind. I don't get this for free. I have to pay for this myself. British pound, for instance, we're bearish. We're bearish, but increasingly bullish. So if we go back and I share my screen on TradingView, bearing in mind I said bearish, increasingly bullish sentiment on the British pound futures, right? So we'll go on to the British pound. This is where it's very important for me, guys. We can look, and we are approaching demand zones, guys. We are approaching higher time frame demand zones. Yeah. So this is why the market sentiment would be saying it's increasingly bullish, because people would be getting themselves positioned around certain demand zones. Likewise, if we were coming up from a supply area, you know, market AI would potentially be saying that the market sentiment is going to be turning bearish. And that would make sense because we're at a supply area. Yeah? The screen went black. What about now? Can you see my chart now? Hasma, hang on a second, mate. I'm just going to send you this link. See if it works. Oh, bloody hell. Sorry, guys, you're going to have to just bear with me for 2 seconds, please. Just bear with me for 2 seconds. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You can link to any page. Yeah, no worries. Hasma, give me 2 secs, mate. I just need to suss all this out. There we go. Good afternoon. Cool. Create referrals. Create. Hasma, check this. Cool. Cool. There we go. All right, guys. I'm back. I'm back properly. Hopefully it should have worked, these links, guys. Hasma, obviously, mate, you got any problems with market AI, just let me know, guys. let me know, and I can help you. I can help you. Where's dollars? Yeah, guys, what do you want me to look at, guys? Whilst we're here. Nice, Artemis. Nice. Artemis is multitasking at his finest there. Yeah, man. Yeah, cool. Cool. Looking good, guys. We're looking good. We're looking good. Yeah. Tudor, you still here, or have you jumped off now? Yeah, so basically, Hasma, I do like it. It's definitely a big part of my trading now. Market AI, that's for sure. Yeah, I really enjoy it. Plus all the boys that are working on it, all the boys that are building it, guys. I can't stress it enough that the team of people, guys, that are behind the scenes of Market AI, that are doing everything they can to get it out there for people. We are all traders, guys. Every single one of us is a trader. And every single one of us has got good 5-6 years of experience behind us. You know, this is built by traders for traders. So I recommend it. Definitely. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, guys. It just, it's more than a lot of people struggle with the fundamentals of the markets, and I do see why. I do see why people do sort of like going back into their shells. Yeah. I do see. Sorry, I'm reading so many different conversations. What was I saying? What was I talking about? Yeah, I see why fundamentals can, intimidate traders, intimidate people. But, we're trying our best. The boys are trying their best to try and simplify things as best they can for you guys. All right, they're and these things it's all work in progress, but I promise you, this time next year, this is going to be the next big thing, guys. And it would be good to be in with it, for sure. Just going to go and have a quick cigarette, guys. I am going to just put some music on a minute whilst I'm not here. But yeah, I'm just going to go and have a quick cigarette, and I'll be back, guys. Hey Eric, I am back, guys. I am back.